First, log into NVR. In the main menu, click on AI. Then, in the AI search, click on the SMD subtab. Here, click on the channel drop-down menu and select your camera. Below, a list of recorded events will appear. Find your date and time, then click the play button at the right-hand side. For another way of viewing the SMD recording, return to the main menu and select Search. Note, the number of screens will be viewed dependent on the number of cameras selected in the playback. First, go to the camera name column. Select the actual camera that has the SMD recordings. Determine the day of the recording and the camera that's utilized. At first, there will be a solid line of recording. To find the SMD recordings, you will need to go to the car and human icon and click it. You will find a box that says human or car vehicle. Select the desired box. In the timeline, you will find the recordings for that camera. Now, press play. During the playback, a green box will surround the subject as they walk by. When selected, the same effect applies for the motor vehicles as well. Also, note that the white light, if set, will turn on.